Hello, my name is Yashica and I'm going to talk about Charlotte City salary data analysis. So the City of Charlotte office employees' salary of March 2018 is analyzed. The data is analyzed department-wise to study the breakdown of salaries by department by providing answers to various questions like to check average and highest salary of each unit, number of full-time and part-time employees in each unit, which department has the most employees, and if there is any correlation between number of regular employees in each unit and average annual pay rate for that unit. So the number of full-time employees and part-time employees, range of pay rates, distribution of part-time, full-time City of Charlotte employees, which department has the highest number of employees, what is the average annual rate of each unit, and is it proportional to the number of employees. At last, we compare the average salary variation of employees over the year 2017 and 18. So here is the description about the data set. The data set is the City of Charlotte employee salary and hourly rate information, as said before, and it is maintained and stored in the Charlotte Human Resources Management System. The data consists of 7,455 rows and 9 variables, and the link of the data set is mentioned in the PPT. Now, the data set variables consist of the employee name, the unit code, for example, POL is police, CTMGR is city manager, and third is department, then job title, then annual rate, which is the annual pay rate of an employee, then comes the hourly rate. Has got various ways. So it involves the matching of files or removing of the unwanted information or final check by data experts. So this involves a series of steps, and in our case, the data was mostly clean, so there were no missing values in the data set. However, the annual pay rate and the hourly pay rate was mentioned as zero for mayor and city council department. Now, so we followed the data reduction technique. The online research revealed that the pay rate of the council members and mayor was not zero. Hence, there were 12 records which was showing zero values, did not considered in the analysis and were removed from the file. So here are the mayor and council observations. And as we can see, the salary is given zero. So we removed it and it was not analyzed. And there's a link to the document which shows that the salary of mayor and council department is not zero. So let us perform the data analysis now. So the data number of units in the city of Charlotte City. So we performed this by using index function, match function, counter function, and we altogether used this to make an array function, which helped us to identify there are 20 units in the city of Charlotte office. So the second question was the unit which works the most hour per week. So this was calculated by using the formula as described in the presentation, average hour per week of the employee for each unit. So again, an array function was used and average function was used to calculate the thing. And we came to know that fire department, or you can say the fire unit, works the most in the week. The highest annual rate for each unit is calculated by using the formula as mentioned. We have used the max function and an obviously array function to calculate the same. And we got to know that city manager has the highest annual rate of $318,000 per year. To see which department has the highest number of employees, pivot table is used. Pivot tables are very easy to use, and we can see that police department has the highest number of employees, that is 220. And we have also used the slicer to filter out the part-time or the full-time employees for each department and unit. police has the highest part-time employees. As we can see, it has got 100 employees. Rest of the departments have got like 32, 28, 39. So we have used this by using a slicer button. The average annual pay rate by each unit is also calculated with the help of pivot chart and table. And the table shows that the attorney unit has the highest average annual pay rate, which is 118K dollar per year. And we can also see the trend appears to be increases. However, the number of regular employees appears to be decreasing. And months. So here is the integrated data analysis. The pivot table was used to analyze the goal in the analysis. The pivot chart shows the average salary comparison for each unit. For each unit, the average salary has increased over the years, and the slicer is added to select the desired unit. So here's an example that attorney unit average salaries increased from 106K to 118K from July to 2017 to March 2018, which is 11% increase in 8 months. We can also see the salary variation for full-time employees. This is irrespective of the units. However, the filter is created to select for each unit the variation for the full-time employees. And we can see the average variation is from 60K to 62K, and it is increased from July to March 2018. Now, I've also created a holiday calendar to show the date of holiday for relevant year. The calendar allows to enter the year and we can get the holiday date. So this could be used by HR to just check for the holiday. And we have used date function to achieve the same. So in conclusion, I would like to say a descriptive analysis was performed using various Excel functions like sum, average, counted, array, pivot charts, etc. The analysis answers the initial question developed from the dataset, which could be used for hypothesis formation. The analysis revealed that there are total 8 departments in the City of Charlotte office, and an average employee of fire department works 49 hours per week, which is the highest of all the departments. Clerical department average employee works 35 hours per week. The city manager has an highest annual rate of $318,000 of all the units in the City of Charlotte office. The police department has the highest number of employees, that is 220. So let us talk about the salary variation over the years. The average salary for City of Charlotte full-time employees for July 2017 is 60K, for November 2017 is 61K, and for March it's 62K. So yeah, it appears to have increased over the years. And business understanding is that descriptive analysis performed has helped to summarize data and can be considered as the first step to perform statistical analysis in the City of Charlotte office. The analysis can also be used by HR department to check for information related to any employee in an efficient way, as the visualizations provided has helped to reduce the cognitive load. Here are the references. Thank you so much.